Come along with me as we explore the new GIF stickers for Tongal and LEGO World Builder. I'm Elizabeth Doss. I'm from Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm a GIF maker. As a verified Giphy artist, my GIFs have been viewed over 4 billion times. I help brands, businesses, and influencers by creating custom GIFs and GIF stickers to build community and increase engagement across social media platforms.
When I saw the project from LEGO World Builder and Tongal, I got really excited about making GIF stickers for the community. So here's some ideas for how to use them on Instagram. In Insta Stories, tap the happy face sticker guy, hit the GIF button, type @Tongal, and find the stickers. Choose one to add to your Insta Stories. Another great place is responding to Instagram Stories. Hit the send message bar and the GIF button, type @Tongal, and choose one to respond with. It will show their story and the sticker you responded with. My favorite is the link sticker option. Click the happy face sticker guy, tap the link, drop your URL, customize the text, and then choose a GIF to put on top of the link. Tell your audience to tap and hold, and they'll be able to click and visit the link.
Enjoy playing with the stickers, and remember to tag @Tongal or @LEGO World Builder if you use them so that we can all celebrate with you.